Hi, Lucy.
Hello.
Lucy,
Yup.
you have something to say?
Yeah. Today, actually this video is the last video of our Campingcarjoa EN English channel's last video. But we stayed in Montenegro for a month in the apartment and I'm packing up. Actually, we were packing up the stuff and then moved into the van. So I will explain later when everything is sorted out. A little bit messy right now. Maybe I'm gonna need this tissue.
Okay.
There you go.
Alright, thank you.
Tricky.
Oh.
마지막 체크 완료. 짐은 다 쌌어요. 이제 갑니다. Bye bye. It was nice stay for a month, right? Hi, tip crew. I know it's kind of weird because I haven't taken any videos in English, like fully English. So it's kind of like it's not gonna be easy for me because I'm not an English speaker. So I wish that Mark did that for me, but he's quite busy for driving. Yeah, this is the last video in Campingcarjoa English channel. And we are still in the Montenegro. During the Schengen out time, we stay in the Montenegro and Bosnia. And as time passed, today is the day that we can re-enter Schengen, which is Croatia. So we are heading to the border. Right now, it is 1 hour away. 1 hour and 3 minutes. So I think like we have to explain why this is the last video. So this channel created from our main channel, like Campingcarjoa. When we started, we do it together. I spoke Korean mainly, and then we put the English subtitle. So that first video came out 10 years ago. So I know our English viewers start from there, move to this channel. So you guys stick with us like 10 years. Can you believe it? Like 10 years relationship is not easy in real life. And you guys stay with us that long time. 10 years can be change everything. Life, nature. You can move the mountain these days, right? So I'm really, really grateful that you guys stick with us quite a long time. And without you guys, like I don't know, we could do this channel maintain 10 years. You know, I think it's impossible. It's not the money. It's kind of people just like stay with you. You know, like communicating and make the community, and you guys were in that part of it. Yeah, I'm really grateful that I wish I can say it in Korean, but I hope that my heart, you know, like what I felt, like spread to you. And we start our travel, Russia travel. I remember the day we left 2018 May 6th. We took the ferry and then start to drive Russia, Vladivostok, and Mongolia all the way to Europe and Africa. And it has been 8 years because we are shooting this video 2020. The motorcycle. 2026 May right now, so it is exactly 8 years. While we are traveling, being on the road, inside of the tiny little camper van, we met really, really beautiful people on the road. And I usually have a lot of word people that isn't real me when I was staying in Korea, when I was living in Korea. And while we are being on the road and meet the people, and I learned that what I learned through the media is not the truth. Religion doesn't matter. What you own doesn't matter. just nothing. The barrier doesn't exist. And then people told me that. And then we met great people. We shared a meal. And then the language is different and culture is different. And we, later we are being friends and they are being my family. So in the countries like we visit, we have family and friends, and that's amazing experience that I will never had it before. I don't know I can do it again. Also being on the road and outside of my comfort zone, just strange country for me, and life throw bitterness all the time. Not every time, but not all the time, but sometimes. And I learned that how I put my mindset, it's just hard, bitter, not easy to overcome, but the way, the process, how I approach it is better. And if I try to seek the positivity, and it will be end up like sweet chocolate, like a movie. Forrest Gump says life is like a chocolate box. You don't know what you're gonna get. It was like that to me. We don't know where we're gonna sleep tonight. No, what kind of person we are gonna meet. I don't know what kind of obstacle we are gonna have. What kind of car problem we are gonna get. It's always pop up like that randomly. Some people, I don't know if there is a kind of visual ghost like throwing their balls to us. Hey, catch it. If you don't catch it, yeah, he's gonna punch you, but you just figure it out, that kind of moment. But I learned that how I put my mind, it matters. And then end of it, there will be sweet things come through. I say it's like 8 years. We are doing this travel. And 8 years ago, me said yeah, Lucy, you're gonna living in a tiny little van, like a 12 passenger van. I think American version, this van is I don't know, six persons van, right? Or 4 persons van, really tiny. I would say hell no, I'm not gonna live in a tiny little van, no way. 8 years, no. Maybe 6 months would be fine, but the 8 years, no way. But we have done and we did it. I think it's time to move on to a new chapter. So we secretly prepared last 6 months. We didn't say anyone, right? We just didn't say anyone, our parents or family or friends. We didn't say anything, just we prepared it. So we are gonna move to the new chapter. But we don't want to stop traveling. We don't want to stop producing the video. English channel, I'm gonna be struggle because that means I have to shoot the English version. I don't know how I can do well. Still trying to prepare. I try to catch every moment, but sometimes I miss this. Sometimes I say my mother language, which is Korean first, and I miss time to do English. But I'm sure we will eventually figure it out some way. So yeah. So we are gonna keep producing it. So what is our new chapter? You might curious. I hope that you guys are curious. Please be, giving us caring feeling. But we are gonna be on the border soon. So actually we didn't say before. We have a little bit PTSD previously crossing the border. It wasn't easy. We stopped in the border to get into the Montenegro. It's briefly say we had a kind of the movie terminal moment. We got stuck, so we gotta be prepared everything this time well. So I'm gonna have to sort it out. So after everything moves smoothly, I will keep continuing because I think it's not easy for me to focus right now. Alright, let's get prepared to document everything. Alright. 진짜 국경이다. 차가 막혀. Just do the emergency light. Okay. Stress.
Here it should be okay. It's getting the Croatian mail from.
There's the sign.
오케이. 크로아시아 들어왔습니다.
So pretty, huh?
쉥겐 국가를 들어오면 하는 게 있죠. 뭐다? 리들. 쇼핑은 끝. 오케이, 렛츠 고. 렛츠 고. 그라샤 바스.
Nice bridge.
나이스 브리지. 스톤을 지나가고 있습니다. 예전에 다리가 생기기 전에는 보스니아를 이제 쓱 지나가가지고 트랜지트 해가지고 크로아시아 다시 넘어갈 수 있었거든요. 근데 다리가 생긴 이후로부터는 그런 트랜지트 없이 바로 이렇게 크로아시아로 연결되는 통화이 생겼습니다. 저희는 그걸 통할 거고, 왜냐면 아시잖아요. We banned from entering Bosnia. 그래서 처음에 걱정을 했는데 다리가 생기기 때문에 그런 걱정 안 하고 무사히 갈 수가 있습니다. 와우, we're crossing. 간다. 우리 지금 오른쪽이 보스니아예요. 우린 다시 못 가지만 안녕 보스니아, 안녕. 추워. 오늘의 차박 장소입니다. 주차장에서 하기로 했어요. It's good, right? People can walk. Okay guys, I hope I did pretty good today's vlog because I was mixing Korean and English at the same time. It's kind of a little bit tricky and hard, but I hope it went well. Mark is studying really hard. Finally, he's reading a book. He gotta do the test tomorrow, so I hope, cross finger, he's gonna pass right away. But I don't want to give him a burden. So for starting our new chapter in our life, we have to go to Denmark. We are in Split, Croatia. And then going to the Denmark, it will be 2,000 kilometers, and we have to take a ferry to get there. Like, I'm really sorry that we cannot provide or content about van life and our journey with a van anymore. And I wish we could do it, but we are gonna move to next different lifestyle, so I hope you guys stick around us and then watch how we are doing, how far we can go. And while you're watching, if you can give us like a thumbs up, or no, it's not thumbs up, like you're rooting us, is it right to say rooting us?
Cheering for us.
Cheering for us, that would be really great power, you know, it's the kind of form of love. So I hope that you guys stay with us with our new chapter. Okay, I paused so many times because it was quite difficult for me to say in English, so I need Mark help. So
You said it just perfectly a second
oh,
ago.
I was like, no, it's not right.
Alright.
Yeah.
It's down.
Oh, big gun here, huh?
Okay, so since we are starting something brand new, we're not making camping car or van life content anymore. We think our channel name doesn't really match our new style.
Yeah, new chapter
Yeah.
in our life.
So, along with the change of content, we're also going to change
Channel name and then banner,
and
membership badges.
yes.
So if you guys see that the picture of our face will be same, because we don't want to cause any confusion, because I don't want any one of you guys thinks that like, oh my god, my YouTube account got hacked. You know, I don't want that kind of things going on. So if you guys see the new names with our face, don't be surprised. It's our new chapter beginning, announcing it. So anyways, what is our new chapter?
냄새 너무 좋다.
파인애플 볶음밥이야.
그냥 볶음밥.
그거 when you go to Thailand? Good.
맛있네.
이렇게 밥 늦게 먹을 줄 알았어 우리. 오늘 구경 만나면 항상 이래.
Hello?
Hello, yes.
Hi, yeah, we're the new owners of the boat Carmen.